Corporate banking focuses on providing financial services to large businesses rather than individual retail customers. These institutions manage the complex capital needs of major corporations, ranging from payroll management to international trade finance. Businesses require specialized tools to manage cash flow and liquidity around the clock. From processing thousands of employee paychecks to securing multi-million-dollar loans, these services are essential for large-scale business operations. While retail banking targets individual savers, corporate banking is built for the high-volume and high-risk needs of large entities. Lending typically makes up the largest portion of corporate bank revenue, reflecting the massive debt requirements of modern corporations. Without these specialized services, the global economy would struggle to move capital where it is needed most. We hope this helped clarify the role of corporate banks. Stay tuned for more finance basics and subscribe to learn more.